Take a look at the 20 VHCE Autumn Ridge by Starcraft, a spacious, family-friendly travel trailer with a clean exterior, great presence, and everything you need to make every getaway feel a little more comfortable. Inside the kitchen is designed to feel open, practical, and easy to use. You have a dual sink, electric stovetop and oven, microwave, fridge, and plenty of storage for all of your camping essentials. Right across from the couch, you have your entertainment area with a TV and built-in storage surrounding it. It's the perfect spot to settle in after a long day outside. The dinette gives you a comfortable place to eat, relax, or play a game with the family, and it easily converts when you need extra sleeping space.
Moving toward the front of the trailer, the layout keeps everything flowing nicely while giving the bedroom its own private, comfortable space.
The master bedroom features a queen-sized bed, giving you a cozy place to recharge after a full day of camping, road trips, and fresh air. At the back, the bunk beds make this trailer a great option for families, giving the kids or guests their own dedicated sleeping area.
Ready to see it for yourself? Shop or apply online today at campmart.ca or visit CampMart in person and find the RV that fits your next adventure.